Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install IXL app on Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Play Store. Click on the search bar and search IXL app. Click on the IXL app. Then tap on the install button to begin the download process. The process might take some time. Then tap Open to launch the IXL app. And that's it. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.